when you are ready.
Yeah, ready.
It feels good to be hungry.
Louder.
Just had a mirchi mix bhaji and pav. Washed it down with overboiled tea. Xavier has not come for class till now. Tire puncture, Anthony told me. Lian and Lauren are learning a new beat. Tabitha smiles. Didi, give her something to eat. Valencia today seems a bit angry. Oh, lunchtime. It feels good to be hungry. Clementa Chanel at our music school, carrying a cartload of Dermicool. People getting prickly heat. Month of May, another hot day. Crizel read my French poem, and Cookie gave her a biscuit. Don't offer anything to Sir Rui, he'll finish the whole packet. Lala has got a contract to play at Beachside Shack. So he walks, doesn't go by bus, so he'll have to miss Thursday class. I told him to stop chewing tobacco. He says dentists are scared to treat him, so to kill the toothache he has to take a pinch of salt and dentobac. Vijay is getting engaged next week. That's a musician from NIO. And Fraser is not to be seen these days since he started his hotel, you know. And I wonder what's up with Gopinath, recording technician that he claims to be, left Tamil Nadu and landed here to be a musician, you see. And there goes Professor Philip hunting for a keyboard player. He downloads MIDI files for free and sips his soap at the Mandovi. So Celeste quit the sleeping band. He wants to start his own. Deepak is waiting to replace him, just waiting for sanction of a loan. Jackson is joining the Blue Babies, and Francis is trying to find a group of 4 good rockers who'll jam at Ingo's at 9. Yesterday I was famished, so I started my kinetic, went to Bayyaj joint. Closed, he's gone for a picnic. Shiv Sagar Bhosle down his starter. Navtara is halfway through, only place open are bars. But you know I don't drink, don't you? So I kept on searching the town till I landed at the Punjab. It may be a bit expensive, therefore checking money, utensil I won't scrub. Ordered some tomato soup, delicious. Asked for veg stuff, paratha, fabulous. And when I rise up to go, dentist Ajinkya is walking through the door. Ajinkya loves good food, he won't sleep hungry. If you don't brush your teeth, he gets very angry. Highways are closed today, try Terran Cyber Cafe Web. Service has just joined there, lots of money he will have. Joe is sitting in the corner, talking, laughing, chatting. Joe fills the coffee pot. This place is so exciting. Another poem typed, a few still printing out. The black prints are fading as the cartridge has run out. MSN bell rings. I talk to Keegan's father. Keegan is Goa's favorite drama. He's Brandon's cousin brother. And Brandon has caught a snake. Everywhere he goes, the snake too he takes. Hopes the bottle doesn't break and the snake escapes and bites his leg. The snake is hungry. And what do reptiles eat? Certainly not cabbage and French bean. Wait a minute, let me think. Frogs and toads and crested newts? Fallen bats without parachutes? They are an endangered species. Spare them. Shouts out Rocker Neil from Wareham. Why do I remember my good friend Jude? He is Marvel's bachelor dude. And Warlock was his famous band. Since it's vanished off the face of this land. And also my dear friend Frankie. He is gobbling frankfurters in London. And to be quite frank, I don't think he should be staying in Swindon. Danny is connecting YX on piano cruises. Karate has given him some bad bruises. I am glad that he is now on his own master. It brought his life riches and luster. Writing all this while I am starving. Counting money, never saving. ATM card has expired in April. Can't withdraw cash. Who'll pay my lunch bill? Along comes grade 8 Prakash with Maruti van. Says thank you for your help, man. Just ask what and I'll do for you what I can. Will you treat me at Tato then? Why Tato? Let us go to Taj, says he. The Taj? My God, I can't believe this lucky me. We drive in his car till he parks behind Don Moscow. Right, Sigeri? No, this is Taj. Taj Mini in the Cusco. Back to Garden Central Studio. Garden Assembly in progress. Vaishali, Vanan, Vinay, Sering, Joseph, they are the very best. Coral Assam, Lanslam, Muriel and Evelyn trying to hide. And Archana here as her house is being sprayed with pesticide. GGG also meet up here once a week and once a year. The president is Domingos, plays Bossa wherever he goes. Mario, Tanya, Julius and Albin. Where is Chris? He is not to be seen. Victor, Schubert, Rui, Christian and Father Loyola singing in Italian. Time for class, I must rush to Sir Schubert Ocean Park. Every time I cross the gate, the brown dog, he does bark. If I come by car, the security guard never fails to salute me. If I ride my cycle, the same watchman fails to recognize me. Today is an interesting class. We are not doing music much. Sir explained to me the meaning of Herodotus painting where he is reclining and Liesel's rag picker coming home. Ah, lemonade and biscuit. Thank you, Maxi madam. Dan is studying piano seriously. Miss Margarita is teaching him very patiently. Borjo and Myra, your books are very lovely. I'll send you some sweets for Christmas and Pateti. Been a long time since I visited the kindly Lobo family. Rui's mother serves us tea while Mrs. Lobo advises me. She used to play the piano and he knew the law quite well. They live at foot of Altino and sometimes have tea at Kamat Hotel. Where is Rui's tall uncle, the one who plays saxophone? He should join Jerome's orchestra. I hear he produces a fine tone. Orlando is coming home. It's hot day back in Dubai. Ellen and Virginia too are waving England goodbye. And is that little Annabelle? She looks pretty but so shy. I wonder if she still remembers Rui uncle's lullaby. Goretti and Archie are blessed with a son. Music, I hope he becomes number one. Ashley, Noah, David, Deran. Holiday spirit, plenty of fun. I am yet to visit them all with the Kala staff before rainfall. Teresa, Miss and Sir Roland, Didi Tryphon, Sarah Susan, Savio, CV, FB, Inez, Sophia, Sinatra, Sanford, Play, Belinda, Tabitha, Parvati and Kamla, Justin, Shannon, Steve and Luella, trying to practice magic tricks, learning Kung Fu, breaking bricks, Maharishi Yogi flying lesson, Rudraksha Mala and levitation, Jesus calming the stormy sea. I wish I had real magic in me. It will take some time, you know. Hear a song before you go. And Alba is locked me out. Ring the bell. It's me, I shout. Peacefully sleeping, Axeline and Axel. Utensil washed, hear my stomach rumble. Get some cabbage, make some soup. Pinch of salt, I am a great cook. Mouth is watering though I am so angry. It feels really good to be hungry. Sean Gerald Samir at Furtado shop. Rock the crema, never stop. Meet the smiling Christopher. Buy a piano, summer offer. Sitar Bulbul, buy at Pedro. Devinda Albin Ashley greet you. Violet says, Pierre, have you heard? Carry grandpa's legacy forward. Night time, I must be returning home. Nothing doing, I like to roam. Wear a helmet for your own safety. Falling coconut can split your head 50-50. Really? Oh, there is more. There is more.
Nice.
How long it took?